Alright, this is how to find the world's total energy output.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
This website right here is called ourworldindata.org. As you can see, energy production and consumption. This is basically just an article, but it is pretty cool. This chart right here shows all the way back in the 1800s in terawatt hours. As you can see, traditional biomass has been going up, and this is in the whole world from 1800s, and see how it really took off in the 1950s from consumption. And we are currently sitting at, well, a lot of it is coal, oil, natural gas. This is a really good website. Highly recommend to check this out to see where the world is going in terms of energy consumption. And then again, we have different terawatt hours with every different country: United States, China, etc. The next website is pretty generalized. It's the usdeadclock.org. Boom, you have all the different countries. China's leading in billions, United States, India, Russia, Japan, Brazil, etc.